back out again. This time we are back on Carn. There's the views for the morning. Out without AMC as usual, and of course it's raining yet again. The last 3 camps it's rained like. There's a bit, but we're sheltered behind this wee bit of wall, so we'll sit out for a wee bit. See how we get on. We're all set up inside, usual stuff. And far enough it's windy, but the tent's not moving too much, so should be alright. Well, it's just gone about 8. Check the forecast. The wind's right up through the night. Closest we could get was Binion, which is it's gusting 70, so through the night. So we'll see how that goes. But the tent's holding up alright at the minute. So we'll see how we get on. I'm packed for a bail in case. Get all the non-essentials into the rucksack, just in case we have to bail in the middle of the night. Well, I'll bail, he'll be alright in the hilly if it comes to it. Well, it's not raining, so summer night. Frog boy looking for some shelter. At least Adam's got a wee friend tonight. Well, we're in the tents and pretty windy, so we'll see how we get on. I've packed the ruck out there, everything I don't really need for through the night. Trousers there, stuff for the tent there, just in case. I have to do a bail, so we'll see how it goes. We'll see how the Zephyrus holds up anyway. I'll go from there. So it'll either be the morning or in a wee while. But I'll come back to this at some stage. just after 6. The wind is starting to calm down a wee bit, so we're getting packed to go. Mental night, absolutely mental. Well, that's everything in here packed in the ruck, so I'm just gonna bail out. The tent's not even getting the stuff sack, it's just going straight in the rucksack, and then that's us away. You look from the outside, and then just the tent going down, that's us away. Leave no trace, guys. That's us about to head off. Big bag. Burn.